Okay, so I'm back at my house, and I did some changes to my Lego garage door. I've put these colorful springs on the door, but it was a waste of time. Well, because there were tons of issues when I put it on, especially that I accidentally connected this piece to the safety cable, but I don't have it hooked up right now. It goes through the spring and out one of these, but I'll put it, but it will be on later. But I had to put something here and there, and right here, and these are one of my other springs for the door. There will be a video of this metal spring sometime. I don't know when, and it will be. I have some other videos lined up, especially a vid of an updates on everything in my garage. But this is where the safety cable ended. And let's give a demonstration of it opening and closing. It is balanced, but though the spring pulls, it kind of pulls it. Kind of pulls it over. But since the table shook, the spring was pulling it. And mostly those two pieces of coil were stretching, but those were barely stretching, and that was the biggest place where I needed to put something there. Let's do a demonstration of it going up. But, oh, the piano is off. I'll put the piano back on. Okay, there we go. Let's run it back. Let's open it. Let's do one more run, but let's do a header view. As you can see, there were tons of issues going on, but this is one of them, but I have to fix it again. Okay, so there it is. But let's do one more run of it opening from a header view. Here we go. There you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you liked the video, leave a like and smash that subscribe button, and have a great day. But I'm don't think there are any videos before the update in my garage. But after that update, there will be a special video of the series. So stay tuned for that after the update. And have a great day.